teach you how to use the Activecampaign landing page builder. This tool is a fantastic asset whether you're looking to promote a product, capture leads, or enhance your online presence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the skills to create your very own landing page from scratch. First, head over to Activecampaign's website and navigate to the main page, which focuses on marketing automation solutions for businesses of all sizes. Next, locate the login button and click it. Enter your account details to access your dashboard. Tip: if you haven't set up an account yet, it's a good idea to do so beforehand. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the email marketing overview page. This is your command center, featuring various options for email campaigns, automations, and of course, landing pages. From here, navigate to the website section of the menu, then click on Pages. This is where all your landing pages are organized. To create a new page, click on Create a New Page. This is your starting point for crafting a brand new landing page. Now comes one of the fun parts, selecting a template. Activecampaign offers a variety of templates catering to different needs. Take a moment to browse through the options and pick a template that aligns with your brand aesthetics and marketing goals. Once you find the perfect one, click Use this template. Next, personalize your landing page. Start by typing in the name for your page. This could be a product name, a campaign identifier, or anything that helps you stay organized. After entering the name, make sure to click Save so none of your changes are lost. Now comes the creative part, editing your page. Here, you can modify text, swap out images, and adjust the layout to better fit your vision. Take your time to refine everything to ensure it's exactly how you imagined. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the elements of your page, it's time to go live. Simply click on Publish Page. This action makes your landing page accessible to the public, allowing you to start directing traffic and engaging with your audience. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully set up and published a landing page using Activecampaign's intuitive builder. Thanks for joining me today, and best of luck with your marketing endeavors. Happy Activecampaign using.